Alright guys, back on the Taylor Dunn build. This has actually turned into a complete restore. So that's where we're at. Right, Chris?
That's right.
Oh! Look at that. Did it rip it?
I don't know. It's sure be easier to get out to pull the seal out. Break one of both sides.
Yeah, that doesn't look so good.
And it's full
Just
grease.
saying. The whole tire apparatus. See how he works that? Yeah.
Look at that.
Gotta pay extra for that.
Look at that mobile.
Say, would you like a crowbar? Oh, that's seen better days.
That's the stiffness. Remember I told you if I was dragging. But it still could be good. Still want to be in a steering wheel? I can probably get away from the brakes.
Race has seen better days. See if we can make it work. If not, then years of no PMs on anything. Alright guys, I'm a real strong believer in a clean shop, a sorted shop, a straightened shop is even better working environment, so the next day when you come to it, you don't have to worry about putting away tools or anything like that. So, even though it's like 1, almost 2 in the morning, I'm trying to straighten this up, flip this back over. We're rolling. You're like, not what I was talking about, Chip. Yeah, that bucket filled up a lot. What?
It's waste dryer.
I'm going to say your way's drier.
Alright.
1, 2, 7, 9, 12, 34. A little bit drier.
Sorry, I'll just put something down.
Yeah. You can still slide it if you wanted to, too. Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
you're right, though, it's only 4 bolts to hold the fucking springs on. But I gotta cut all this stuff because these are a pain in the ass. They're easy to put on, but they're a pain in the ass to take off. See how they got little things right here?
Sure. The camera can see it. That and they did that angle down from the
I guess hand me the safety.
Say hello to the first Jamaican bobsled team. That's what that looks like.
I thought it smelled
Cool runnings.
I thought